Hi everyone, my name is Omar Aswat, Chartered Tax Advisor, regulated by the Chartered Institute of Taxation. I am the owner of ASWATAX, a specialist UK and international tax advisory firm. I don't believe it's right to praise ourselves directly, so you can visit our reviews online. We have 5-star reviews. But broadly speaking, in terms of the kind of work that we get involved in, would be around looking after high net worth, ultra high net worth individuals, business owners, property landlords, those coming to and leaving the UK. We also work very closely with professional intermediaries such as accountancy firms. So effectively we can help accountancy firms. I know how busy accountancy firm owners are. So effectively we can look after the client's tax needs either in the forefront or in the background. We also work with law firms, financial planners, wealth managers and trustees. In terms of how we directly help, we can advise on certain structures. So for example, corporate restructurings, insertion of holding companies, linked investment companies when looking at property, crypto, shares and stocks and shares, two companies between, let's say, for example, two different families or other purposes. We can also advise on the tax aspects when buying and selling businesses, and also employee ownership trusts, management buyouts. So basically, effectively throughout the business lifecycle, when we're looking at corporate restructurings, effectively we should take a step back and we can assist throughout the business lifecycle. So that's from the start where we have remuneration planning, then we're looking at share schemes for incentivizing key employees and staff. We have research and development tax credits, patent box, capital allowances. As I mentioned, the restructuring, so the formation of holding companies, for example. And then towards the end of the life cycle, you have the shareholders, right? So retirement planning. Effectively, when selling your business, you're turning which is shares in a trading company, which is friendly for inheritance tax purposes, into an unfriendly asset, which is cash. So what do we do with that? That's when we start looking at inheritance tax planning, family investment companies, UK and overseas trusts, international aspects of residency. Domicile is soon to be abolished, but that's something that we look at. And then, coming to and leaving the UK, statutory residency test, split year treatment, all these matters, all these angles. We are a multidisciplinary practice. So as chartered tax advisors, we can look after a wide range of taxes. When we come to property, for example, property is just never income tax. Okay, on the rental income, we have to look at things like capital gains tax, stamp duty, land tax, corporation tax if the assets are owned in a property investment company. So these are all matters that we look after in-house. Commercial property, ATED, annual tax on envelope dwellings. These are all different angles that as a firm we look after. So I just thought I'd shoot this video and invite you to utilize our services. Don't forget to reach out Omar at aswatax.co.uk. You can visit our website, see our reviews, and we have an expert team always on hand looking to provide the best service. And when I say best service, I mean you have access to our technical expertise and knowledge, but along with that, I'm very, very particular around communication. So swift communications. If you bring a case, as in if you have an issue, a particular tax issue that needs looking at, we want to help you as quickly and swiftly as possible. One thing that I've noticed in the industry is that advisors, they'll take on cases, but the case will be sat there for months and months, sometimes years. I've heard of this as well. And this is, this I want to make our unique selling point. As I say, we also work with accountancy firms. So please reach out. I shall speak to you soon. Bye.